Can I get my job back after a wrongful termination? Breaking news for employees everywhere. The question on many minds right now is whether you can reclaim your job after a wrongful termination. This topic has gained traction recently as more individuals face job loss under questionable circumstances. If you have been terminated and are wondering about your rights, you are not alone. Earlier this week, several cases in various jurisdictions highlighted the complexities of wrongful termination claims. In Puerto Rico, for instance, Law Number 80 mandates that employers must have just cause for dismissing an employee. If you were let go without just cause, you may have a solid case for reinstatement. In the United States, wrongful termination often involves issues like discrimination or retaliation. If you were fired due to these reasons, you might be entitled to get your job back or receive compensation for lost wages. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is the agency to contact if you believe your termination was unjust. In China, the laws are also protective of employees. If an employer does not follow proper procedures, such as providing adequate notice or severance, you might be able to claim a legal dismissal. This could lead to either reinstatement or financial compensation. To pursue reinstatement, you typically need to file a claim with the appropriate authorities. This process requires you to prove that your termination was unjustified and violated applicable laws. If the court or relevant authority rules in your favor, you may be reinstated to your previous position. Alternatively, you might receive compensation for lost wages or other financial benefits. In some situations, employers may offer settlements that include severance packages or additional benefits to resolve the matter without going to court. The chances of getting your job back after a wrongful termination largely depend on the specific circumstances and the laws in your area. Consulting with an employment lawyer can help clarify your rights and options. As the conversation around wrongful termination continues to grow, staying informed about your rights and the legal framework in your jurisdiction is essential. If you have experienced this situation, know that there are pathways to seek justice and potentially reclaim your position.